Sermon number 26. Arabia, before proclamation of prophethood. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Allah sent Muhammad, peace be upon him and his progeny, as a warner, against vice, for all the worlds and a trustee of his revelation, while you people of Arabia were following the worst religion and you resided among rough stones and venomous serpents. You drank dirty water and ate filthy food. You shed blood of each other and cared not for relationship. Idols are fixed among you and sins are clinging to you. On the attentiveness of the people, after the death of the Holy Prophet, I looked and found that there is no supporter for me except family, so I refrained from thrusting them unto death. I kept my eyes closed despite motes in them. I drank despite choking of throat. I exercised patience despite trouble in breathing and despite having to take sour colocynth as food. On the settlement, between Muawiyah and Amr bin As, he did not swear allegiance till he got him to agree that he would pay him its price. The hand of this purchaser, of allegiance, may not be successful and the contract of the seller may face disgrace. Now you should take up arms for war, and arrange equipment for it. Its flames have grown high and its brightness has increased. Clothe yourself with patience for it is the best to victory.